So, we won the race, right, Asher?
Yeah.
See, it's official.
No, I did.
Dun 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 dun.
I won the race.
So hey guys, we have a little challenge for you guys. The challenge is to see whoever finishes the scenic route first wins the challenge. Okay? Alright guys, get yourselves ready and get set and go. Go Lily!
I won the race. I know you do. Okay, I won the race.
Here comes the girls. So, we won the race, right, Asher?
Yeah.
See, it's official.
No, I did.
Dun 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 dun.
I won the race. I was in front of Jake and you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't know. So, Asher, who won the race? You?
Yeah.
Who votes Asher won the race?
It was clearly I won the race. Yeah.